Hey guys, I know we've been gone for a while, but we're back. So check this out. We got Mama here and we got Kid, and we're going to make a little project today. What are we making?
We're making like DIY like jewelry holders for like drawers.
Oh, so we're gonna make a jewelry holder organizer for a dresser drawer. It should be pretty simple. And what kinds of supplies do we need?
About a piece of fabric that's enough to cover a whole entire egg carton.
I got a half a yard of fabric from the Walmart clearance fabric section, and I paid less than $1 for it. What else?
You'll need like adhesive glue, or like spray, scissors, and an egg carton.
Okay, that sounds pretty simple, doesn't it?
Yep.
All right. Well, how about I make the first one and show them how it's done?
Okay.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray this adhesive on the carton, and we're going to stick this fabric down to it to cover it up, make it look a little prettier. First, we're going to trim off the edge because we don't need that, since we're not going to be traveling with it, and it won't keep things that separated. But in a drawer, it's great because it's just shallow enough and it sits right down in. So spray your egg carton. You want to measure your fabric to make sure you have enough. Spray your egg carton lightly, not too heavy, and you want to do this in a well-ventilated area. You'll notice here, this is why I say measure it, because we came up a little short going the one way, but we got plenty going the long ways. I'm going to push them down around the edges so that it sticks to the adhesive spray. You don't have to worry about wrinkles. It doesn't have to be smooth. You can make it as smooth or as wrinkly as you like, but the point is you have these little cup areas to hold your necklaces or your earrings or your brooches. You trim off the extra fabric, and we're going to use that other half. You'll notice that's only half of my half of a yard, half of the bolt size. So we have plenty left. We're going to spray the edge a little bit and tack down the sides. This is pretty simple. You think you could make one, Kid?
Yep.
You think other kids could make one?
Sure.
Alright, how about you try?
Okay. So first I take my egg carton, and Mama just takes the flap off. Then she sprays it for me, and the sides.
That meant only one of us got sticky.
Then I put the fabric on, and I wanted it a little bit wrinkly, so I made sure that I had some slack when I put it in. So after I'm done, I make sure that all the edges are clear and they are stuck together.
Now you can use rickrack or trim or anything you'd like around the edges. You can pretty it up some, but I wanted to keep this pretty simple. It's going to sit down inside my drawer, so it's not going to really see the sides of it at all. You could even leave the extra fabric if you wanted to. We trimmed it off because it would take up less room in my drawer, but two of these are going to fit side by side, and we actually found that we could maybe fit even another one. So egg cartons, we go through eggs pretty quick.
Every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks we go through a whole dozen of eggs. That's not too bad. But we can use these to sort other things. You could put your Lego minifigures in them. You could use them for sorting. If you do beads, you could use them to sort beads or plan out a jewelry project or however. But here you'll see we put some brooches in, some pins, some earrings. And they sit so nicely in the drawers. It's just a simple little project. It cost me less than $1 and works out great. tell us what you think. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because we don't update very often.
And comment what we should do next.
Yes, just make sure you know we're here.
So we see you next time.
Bye.
See ya.